Hi, naghahanap ka ba ng residential lots inside Pasig Greenwoods Executive Village? If yes, this property is for you. Meron po tayo ritong expansion dito sa Phase 9 F1. Nearby po ito. Mas malapit po ito sa gate ng Taytay. So, ito po yung property. Ayan po mismo yung property. So, this one is the property. Along po ito ng Marjoram Street. And then sa kabilang side is Chestnut. Sa kabila naman is Blackberry. So nasa gitna siya ng Blackberry, Chestnut, and Marjoram. Only 8 lots lang po yung for sale dito. Limited lang. Minimum cut is 170 square meters. And a maximum of 239 square meters. Price is 41,500 for inner lots and 42,000 for corner lots. Terms of payment is 30% spot down payment with 10% discount if paid within 7 days. Or, pwede naman siya up to 12 months to pay. No discount na. And then the remaining balance, 70%, is payable in 2 years without interest or 5 or 10 years with 14% interest per annum. Reservation fee is 20,000. So, grab mo na. 8 lots lang po ito. For tripping, PM or text mo lang ako. I am Pat Sanchez, your licensed real estate broker. 0917-578-4686. See you soon!